Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix DXGI error device removed on Windows 11 step-by-step graphics error fix. First method is change registry settings. Second method is update display adapter driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.